Hello, friends. Just a quick thought, just a 2 minute short video. So, psychic powers. I know everybody knows about it, but there are some things which are written, and some people do know about it. But for some reason, our generation has just forgotten to talk about it at all. We do not have it in any sort of media. We just have like Avengers who are having like superpowers by science or some other random event. But of course, do remember that those events in Avengers are not, they're definitely exaggerated, and that they are definitely very, very heroic and very, very, what to say, just to entertain probably. so, but remember, the powers are based out of certain reality facts. So the reality facts can be like earthquake prediction. It is a real utter shame that humanity still cannot predict earthquakes with science. Like, they have tried so many things. If you have seen documentaries, or if you are having that interest in predicting earthquakes for some reason, so I have that interest. So what has happened is, everybody talks about it, even in our some books. Even old people used to talk about that. Dogs, ants, birds, and several other animals have that something, some sort of sixth sense where they can predict if an earthquake is going to happen or not. It is real facts. Okay, there are several incidents where even humans, very few cases, okay, and these humans are also, very few. Of course, it is not absolutely certain. These people haven't been able to accurately each and every time predict, but they have been insistence, like just 5 or even 2 minutes before an earthquake, those people get some sort of sensation, some sort of deep urge that comes in, and they are able to evacuate buildings and save a lot of lives. It is not based out of fiction. This is reality. So that is one very important thing that our generation is forgetting. And yeah, these things have happened. So just cutting the long video short, that is the message. That is one thing I also wanted to talk about. Also a prediction. Of course, several other animals have much higher levels of connection to their other senses. Of course, we do have other senses, and we will eventually get there. Like I mentioned in the previous video, scientists have already said that we have way more than 5, 10, 15 senses, and not every human has equal amount of awareness of those senses. Like, it's very basic that around 10 to 11 senses are used by humans on a daily basis. Although we might like to talk about, like, we have 5 sense and we would like to do 5 sense meditation, but also do remember, when people are doing 5 sense meditation, they are also making the other senses alert and at the same time, without them knowing that, of course. So that is one part. I hope you like that video, and let me know what you think about earthquake prediction and sixth sense, or what kind of senses that you have had, or incidents that you have actually had in your past. Take care, guys. Bye.